Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the skinny AI filter trend on TikTok. Okay, so for that you need a third-party app called CapCut. So go to your app store or Play Store and download this app, and once you download the app, what you can do, go to the app. Okay, on the bottom of this screen you will see templates. Tap there. Now search for skinny filter AI in this template. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, so on the bottom of the screen you will see use template. Tap there. Okay, you need to browse a picture from your camera roll. Okay, let's go with this one. Hit next. Okay, so you can hit the export button and now you can share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do this trend on TikTok. If you are not finding the template in CapCut, check the description box below. I'll give the link to the template there. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.